Log into Icon and open the incident. Scroll down to Map List and left-click on Edit Current Map. The map workspace opens at the icon marker location for a new map or the previously saved extent if an initial map exists. Left-click on Map Layers icon and change the LPR imagery so we can see the actual extent of the bush, and begin an edit session by clicking on the pencil. In this example, we are planning a HR, so we use HR-specific tools. Begin by drawing the area of the proposed HR or incident. Scroll down to the Polygon tools, select the appropriate area tool. Left-click on the corner of your incident and draw around the perimeter. Click to add a vertex at each change in direction. Once the start point is reached again, double-click to complete the perimeter. Now note that the tool provides a burnt area. If you're happy with the result, then click OK in the editing tools. Next, select the appropriate line feature to draw the boundary of the fire. Move the mouse pointer close to the polygon edge and hold down the left control button on the keyboard. Keep holding this button. Note how a light blue cross appears on the edge. It indicates that the snapping tool is active. Left-click on the edge of the polygon and trace around the perimeter, keeping as close as you can. Left-click at changes in direction as per before. Double-click to complete the line. Click OK depending on what's been drawn. The line does not have to meet at the start point, for example, an active fire front. When the map update is complete, if you have permissions to do so, authorize your map. This step takes about 60 seconds. You can now view the PDF and see the map in COP.